We are comparing Bose Ultra Open Earbuds versus Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds. First, we discuss specifications. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds design, open ear design, which allows you to hear your surroundings while still enjoying your music. Connectivity Bluetooth 5.3. Audio drivers typically smaller compared to closed design. Water resistance often IPX4 or IPX5, making them resistant to sweat and splashes. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbud design in-ear design with active noise cancellation, connectivity Bluetooth 5.3, audio drivers larger and generally offer richer sound with deeper bass, water resistance IPX4 or higher, good for workouts and light rain. Battery life Bose Ultra Open Earbuds around 7 to 8 hours on a single charge with an additional 12 to 15 hours from the charging case. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds approximately 6 to 8 hours with active noise cancellation on and up to 12 hours with the charging case with active noise cancellation off. You might get slightly longer battery life. Sound quality Bose Ultra Open Earbuds sound signature more often sound due to the design which can lack the depth and isolation of in-ear models. The sound might be clear for environmental awareness but can be less immersive. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds sound signature superior sound quality with deep bass and detailed mids and highs. The closed design generally offers a richer and more immersive audio experience. Comfort and fit Bose Ultra Open Earbuds comfort, lightweight and designed for extended wear with minimum discomfort, suitable for those who prefer not to have anything inside their ears. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds comfort typically comes with various ear tip sizes for a customizable fit. Good for those who prefer a secure fit and noise isolation. Some users may find ear design less comfortable for long periods. Active noise cancellation Bose Ultra Open Earbuds usually open ear design do not feature active noise cancellation because they are meant to allow ambient sound in. Some may have passive noise isolation. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds advanced active noise cancellation that effectively reduce background noise, providing a quieter listening experience, ideal for noisy environments or when you want to focus solely on your music. Better Bose Ultra Open Earbuds best for people who need to stay aware of their surroundings while listening to music, such as during outdoor activities or commuting. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Earbuds best for users who prioritize sound quality and noise cancellation, making them ideal for travel, work environments, or anywhere that requires focused listening.